Trigonometrical Identities. Previous year's questions, 2007 to 2023, Part 3. Question number 15. Show that root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A equal to sin A by 1 plus cos A. This question is for 3 marks. It is easy to simplify the left side and arrive at the right hand side. So left side is, or left hand side equal to root of 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. This means root of numerator divided by root of denominator. Root of numerator is 1 minus cos A and root of denominator is 1 plus cos A. See, in the right hand side, we have 1 plus cos A. How we can get 1 plus cos A out of root of 1 plus cos A? Multiply with the root of 1 plus cos A. So, 1 minus cos A divided by root of 1 plus cos A. We need to multiply this denominator with the root of 1 plus cos A. That means multiply denominator with the root of 1 plus cos A. If we multiply either numerator or denominator of a fraction, we should multiply both the numerator and denominator. Suppose 5 by 3, if I am multiplying this 3 with 2, then I need to multiply the numerator also with 2. So, in the same way, since I multiplied root of 1 plus cos A to the denominator, so I need to multiply the numerator also with the root of 1 plus cos A equal to root of 1 plus cos A. This is equal to, I can write it as root of 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. Because root 2 into root 3, we can write it as root 2 into 3 divided by root of 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A. This is equal to, this is of the form A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. Here A is 1 and B is cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A means x into x is x square. In the same way, 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A is 1 plus cos A whole square. This is equal to sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square A will be sin square A divided by root of 1 plus cos A whole square. What is root of 5 square? Is 5. Root of 9 square, it is 9. So in the same way, root of sin square means sin A. Root of 1 plus cos A whole square is 1 plus cos A. equal to RHS. Question number 16. Prove that tan square theta by sec theta minus 1 whole square equal to 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Let us simplify the left hand side. LHS equal to tan square theta divided by sec theta minus 1 whole square. We know an identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Therefore, tan square theta can be written as c square theta minus 1. So I am, instead of tan square theta, I am writing c square theta minus 1 divided by sec theta minus 1 whole square equal to c square theta minus 1. I am writing it again it as c square theta minus 1 square whole divided by sec theta minus 1 whole square. This is equal to, now this is of the form a square minus b square, which is a minus b into a plus b divided by sec theta minus 1 square means sec theta minus 1 into sec theta minus 1. See, this sec theta minus 1 and sec theta minus 1, that will get divided and we will get 1. And the remaining is sec theta plus 1 divided by sec theta minus 1. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So it is 1 by cos theta plus 1 divided by 1 by cos theta plus 1. Why I converted into cos theta is the right hand side is in terms of cos theta, it is not in terms of sec theta. So this is equal to 1 by cos theta plus, instead of 1 I am writing cos theta by cos theta. Cos theta by cos theta. Anything divided by the same, we will get 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 100 divided by 100 is 1. Similarly, cos theta by cos theta is 1 divided by 1 by cos theta plus, this is, here the sign is minus, so minus cos theta by cos theta. For adding, I converted 1 into like this. Since the denominator is the same, I can take a common denominator equal to cos theta as the common denominator, and the numerator will be 1 plus cos theta divided by, here again the denominator, common denominator is cos theta, and in the numerator we will get 1 minus cos theta. This cos theta and this cos theta we can cancel. When we multiply one fraction with another fraction, what we do is, with which fraction we are dividing, that fraction we will take reciprocal of that fraction and we will multiply the fraction in the numerator. So when we do such an operation, this cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled. So the remaining will be 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. And this is the RHS. Question number 17 is, prove that cosec minus sin A into ck minus cos A into c square A equal to tan A. This question is for 4 marks. Obviously, it is easy to simplify the left side and arrive at the right hand side, because it is very difficult to arrive from tan A to such an expression. So left hand side equal to cosec A minus sin A into ck minus cos A into c square A equal to, let us convert all these cosec, sec into sin and cos. So cosec is reciprocal of sin, sin A minus sin A into sec is reciprocal of cos, cos A minus cos A. C square A means 1 by cos square A equal to, sin A means sin A by 1, cos A means cos A by 1. So we can use a method, multiply this denominator, then multiply like this and multiply like this, multiply cross for getting the numerators. So multiplying the denominators, sin A into 1 is sin A, then the numerator here at this position will be 1 into 1. Then at this, the numerator here will be sin square A, sin A into sin A, sin square A into, here the common denominator is cos A, cos A into 1. Then 1 into 1 is 1 square minus cos A into cos A is cos square A into 1 by cos square A equal to sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1, or 1 minus sin square A, that will be equal to cos square A, and 1 minus cos square A, that will be equal to sin square A. So instead of 1 minus sin square A, I am writing cos square A, cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A, I am writing sin square A by cos A into 1 by cos square A. These are 3 fractions, multiplication of fractions. The rule for multiplication of fraction is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Multiplying the numerators will become cos square A sin square A. Then the denominator, there is a cos square A here, cos square A, sin A into cos A, sin A cos A. So cos square A will go, sin square A by sin A. We will get a sin A in the numerator. So this will be a sin A in the numerator. What is remaining is cos A in the denominator. That is tan A, which is RHS. Question number 18 is sin A by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A by sin A equal to 2 cosec A. It is clear that it is easy to simplify the left hand side and arrive at the right hand side. Therefore, left hand side equal to sin A divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A by sin A equal to sin A divided by 1 plus cos A. Here, what I am doing is, I am multiplying the numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A. There won't be any problem. We can do like that. Plus 1 plus cos A divided by sin A equal to, this is sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by, now this is of the form A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. For getting this, I multiplied with 1 minus cos A. Plus, this is equal to 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. This is equal to sin A into 1 minus cos A whole by 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Sin square A plus 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. Here, sin A and sin A from the denominator, that they will get cancelled. So, in the numerator is 1 minus cos A divided by 1 sin A has gone. So, there is only 1 sin A plus 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. Now the denominator is the same. So I can write it as a common denominator. Sin A upon 1 minus cos A plus 1 plus cos A minus cos A and plus cos A cancels each other. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by sin A. 2 into 1 by sin A. So 1 by sin A can be written as cosec A equal to RHS. Question number 19 is, prove the identity sin A by 1 plus cos A equal to cosec A minus cot A. Here I am taking left hand side, which is equal to sin A by 1 plus cos A equal to sin A by 1 plus cos A. I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos A. So, sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is of the form A plus B into A minus B. That is A square minus B square. A square means 1 square equal to sin A into 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos square A means sin square A. You need to write the identity here. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So from that, 1 minus cos square A will be sin square A. So this will be 1 sin A and sin A will getting divided and will be equal to 1. So remaining is, in the numerator it will be 1 minus cos A. And in the denominator you will be having only 1 sin A. Now this sin A is common to both 1 and cos A. So I am writing it separately. 1 by sin A minus cos A by sin A equal to 1 by sin A means cosec A and cos A by sin A means cot A equal to RHS. Question number 20. Ck minus 1 by ck plus 1 equal to 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Left hand side equal to ck minus 1 by ck plus 1 equal to ck is reciprocal of cos equal to 1 by cos A minus 1 divided by 1 by cos A plus 1 equal to 1 by cos A. Instead of 1 I am writing cos A by cos A. Cos A by cos A. So that I get the denominator same for these two fractions. Equal to 1 by cos A plus, here again I need to convert 1 into cos A by cos A so that I again get the denominator same. So and it is easy for addition. So cos A by cos A equal to, so the common denominator is cos A and in the numerator we can have 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A divided by, we have the other fraction as with the common denominator as cos A upon 1 plus cos A. Now these are two fractions. The root for dividing a fraction with another fraction is, write the fraction in the numerator as it is, 1 minus cos A divided by cos A into, multiply the fraction, reciprocal of the fraction in the denominator. So 1 plus cos A by cos A, reciprocal of that will be cos A by 1 plus cos A. Cos A and cos A, they will be cancelled. That can be cancelled. So remaining is 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A equal to RHS. The last question of part 3. Prove the identity cos square A by cos A minus sin A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A equal to sin A plus cos A. We will simplify the left hand side. Left hand side equal to cos square A by cos A minus sin A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A equal to cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A plus sin A divided by 1 minus, instead of cot A, cos A by sin A. Cos A by sin A equal to cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A plus sin A divided by, for 1 I am writing sin A by sin A minus cos A by sin A equal to cos square A by cos A minus sin A plus sin A divided by, the common denominator is sin A, and in the numerator we can have sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A equal to cos square A by cos A minus sin A plus, this sin A means sin A divided by 1. So that is a fraction, and in the denominator also we are having another fraction. So we will multiply reciprocal of this fraction with the fraction in the numerator. So in that process, the sin A will go to the numerator. So this will become in the numerator sin A into sin A, sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A equal to cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A. I am taking a minus sign outside. So this will become minus sin square A. When I take the minus sign outside, this minus cos A will become plus cos A, and positive sin A will become minus sin A. Why I converted it is that now I can have the denominators of these fractions same. So I am taking it as a common denominator, cos A minus sin A upon cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A can be written as cos A minus sin A into cos A plus sin A. Cos A minus sin A into cos A plus sin A divided by cos A minus sin A. Now this is cos A minus sin A by cos A minus sin A. We will get 1. So the remaining is 1 into cos A plus sin A is cos A plus sin A equal to RHS. This step I will explain once more. This means sin A by 1 divided by sin A minus cos A by sin A, and this is equal to sin A by 1. We are dividing this fraction by this fraction. So instead of dividing, we can multiply the reciprocal of the fraction in the denominator. Reciprocal of this is sin A by sin A minus cos A equal to sin A into sin A is sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A into 1 is sin A minus cos A. So I have arrived these steps. Through these steps. That means if there is a number in the numerator and if there is a fraction, then the denominator will go to the numerator. We can directly write like that.